jam. So green leaf first, and then weather left, next road left, next accepted tea, and by number name sure until here. Last factory.
Before we go into the factory, I would like to inform you the exit will be the same way right here. Please wait for me at the entrance.
Ni kilang ni. Ano nak buat tu? Tadi ada masuk? Daun tu tadi dia akan buat tu. Apa jadi yang dalam tu?
Factory entrance.
Please come closer and open in the middle over here. I want you all to see this. Before we go into the factory, I would like to give a little briefing. But the processing of black teas are made here. There will be 5 stages. The first thing you would do, picking up the fresh leaf tea in the gardens. And the first stage will be withering. The objective of withering is to reduce the moisture content within the leaf by blowing a hot air. And the second stage will be rolling. We are going to twist and break the withered leaf, liberating the juice for fermentation. And the third step would be fermentation. We are going to leave it at room temperature for about 1.5 until 2 hours, during which the characteristic flavor and aroma are developed. And the fourth stage will be drying. The fully fermented leaf will going into a machine that will crystallize the juice and also converting into black crispy form. And the last stage will be sorting. We are going to sort the teas according to its size, from the biggest until the smallest. Each tea over here has its own density and flavor characteristics. For example, the bigger the tea is, the smoother the taste. The smaller the tea is, the stronger the taste. We also going to extract the stalks and the fibers and reuse it back to the fields as fertilizer. And after all of this process is all done, we are going to send it to Banting Selangor for packaging and flavoring with fruits and herbs. And that is all for our briefing. Any questions?
Now,
Before we go into the factory, there will be no photos or videos are allowed once you are inside the factory, but you can take the photos and videos over here. And if you have any further question, please ask me. You can just go in and take a look by yourself straight ahead, no bella.